COVID, lockdown, containment zone. These are the most commonly used words nowadays. Yes, this pandemic is going to stay for some time and it has taken out many of our activities. But the highly tech savvy team of Federal Bank has gone ahead with a virtual platform for all its meetings like Microsoft Teams, webinars, etc. Now we are going ahead with our recreational activities online. The first is an online chess championship for all the employees and their family members in our Kolkata zone. The zone contains of 10 states including the northeast states. This unique event is going to start soon. More than 150 enthusiastic participants have already registered. We look forward to a wonderful event. There we will be honoring with attractive prizes and the youngest and the oldest participant will also be honored. Let's hope one Judith Polgar or a Carlson may emerge from our young bunch. Wishing all the participants all the very best and looking forward to the first move. Let's checkmate.
Hi everyone, I am Sajjan KP, Regional Head, Kolkata. Our Kolkata zone is coming up with this program, chess competition. This is a wonderful program which is happening in the bank first time as per my information. And this is a program which facilitates participation of all the federals and all the federal family members, which will help to have a very deep understanding and bonding among entire federal family members. So I am very happy to welcome all participants into this wonderful competition, and I wish all the participants a big success in the competition. Thank you.
At this very outset, let me take this opportunity to thank the zonal HR and our zonal head to come out with this unique concept of employee engaged program. Definitely a test of its first of its kind during these distraught times when the entire world is engulfed under the common umbrella of the COVID pandemic. And what better than a rapid fire chess tournament to judge the mental ability of the individual, which is one's greatest ability rather than the physical ability. It is really heartening to see the enthusiasm that is generated from the event based on the encouraging numbers of registered participants, including the large number of family members, be it senior or junior, who have come forward. So here's wishing each and every contestant all the very best. Remember, talent wins games, but intelligence wins championship. I'll wind up by greeting each and everyone a happy Onam. Stay safe, take care and move forward. Good times to be back again, sooner rather than later. Thank you.
Today is the day of federal minds, so expecting lot of smart movements, confidence, patience, success, failures, etc. So good initiative by zonal team, me and my entire team in the gallery for your support. All the best.
Hi everybody. Online Bleach Chess Championship is being conducted this Sunday, 30th of August, day after tomorrow. It's a very good initiative of HR for the first time happening in our zone. Across the bank it has not happened so far. The purpose is to have some enjoyment, to have some fun on a Sunday through online chess. This championship is being participated by our staff members, relatives of staff members only. The vibrancy is already visible. WhatsApp groups are opened and I have been watching the fun, the competition by challengers. So many good funny things are happening there, and I hope this vibrancy to continue on Sunday also. Let us enjoy the full day. Let us actively participate in the event to make it a successful one, to make it a memorable one. The best of my wishes goes with all the participants.
Good morning all, myself Neeraj Kanta Rao, the cluster head Balasar cluster. As you know, every year bank is to conduct various activities for the staffs and their family members across the zone, across the bank under staff engagement activities. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, this year we are conducting various activities through online platform. We are the federals and our spirits is always high. Under the staff engagement activities, we are conducting an online tournament, online chess tournament. And thank you all for participating in big numbers, and it seems the willingness towards the big event. Thanks to HR team for conducting such a big event under the leadership of your great leader Dilip sir. And friends, let's play the game. Happy winning. Thank you all.
Hi everyone. Our HR has organized one online chess competition on this coming Sunday, where all the federals along with the family members will be participating in the game. And this kind of activity by our HR may be the first one in the bank, and we have started in our zone, and this will be quite interesting, and everybody is quite thrilled to win over the game. And in this pandemic situation, when any kind of outdoor activities is not possible, this kind of activity organized by our HR is definitely one welcome step. My best wishes with all the federals. Thank you.
It gives me a great pleasure to be a part of such wonderful initiative taken by our HR team with the full support from our zonal head Dilip sir. In this pandemic situations where we all are working by risking our life and indirectly serving our nation, this tournament will act as a stress reliever. It is more interesting that in this tournament our family members are participating. This is a perfect example of that, why we call that we are federal family. I am requesting my HR team, they will come out of such more initiative in near future. Best of luck to all, and thank you.